Ready, set, go. Love you, Hannah.
What does Hannah call you, Finn?
She calls me Fit.
And what's your special name for Hannah?
Fit.
But what do you call Hannah?
I call her Hen.
Do you have anything else to tell her?
Oh, just that.
That's it. Okay. Say bye-bye, Hannah.
Bye-bye, Hannah.
See you later.
See you later. Alligator.
In a while.
Crocodile.
Is Hannah a crocodile?
No.
What is she?
Hannah.
A Hannah.
Brian Murphy.
Okay, go ahead.
Hannah Brian Murphy. That's it. Now you can Skype it away.
Okay, go ahead.
Love you, babe. Hannah Brian Murphy.
Do you have anything else you want to tell her? How about happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Hannah.
Happy birthday, Hannah.
Okay.
I'm gonna push the 7.